Let's add a repeater to our HD1. So let's add a contact first. So we'll double click priority contacts, which is basically adding talk groups. Then we'll click add, and we'll call we'll select group call. We get a drop down list here, group call, and we'll call it local, which tends to stand for talk group 9. Then we'll just go across to the number, which is the most important thing, and then we'll put in number 9. Actually, we've already done number 9, so we better put in number 10 because you can't put in 2 basically. So we've created local. Let's rename it to local 10, just so we know what we've done. So the talk group is created, and there are thousands, as you know. Next thing is we need to create a channel. So double click channel. We've got some channels created, but let's go to a new one, number 4 here, and we'll put in the frequency of our repeater. So let's go 430.825. That's for the receive frequency. And then for the transmit, 438.525. And it's a digital repeater. We could select analog, but it's digital. We're going to do the power as low because it's at home. Might as well leave the scan, and we'll give it its name, which is GB3, let's say FI. Okay, and then we need to add some more, so click these right hand arrows and you get the whole channel display. Now I recommend you turn on promiscuous mode. We need to select the talk group 10 here, so make sure this says priority here, and then talk group, let's find number 10, local 10, so that's that. TX authority, we may as well put that to the same color code, so we'll click color code. That way it won't transmit over anyone. Now the repeater color code is 3, and the slot is, let's do slot 2, and it's a repeater. We'll click repeat. We won't mess around with groups at all now, so I think that's it. We've named it, we've got the frequency. Oh, timeout, we need to get the timeout, say about 180. Power, it's a digital channel, we've named it. So that all looks good. We should be able to close that now. We've got the channel created here. Now we do need to put the channel in a zone, otherwise we're not going to find it. So now click zone, double click zone. There you go. Now we've already created one zone to add digital repeaters, but I'll just show you how I did that. So zones are when you turn on your radio and you can change zones. You're basically changing groups of where you're going to put channels. So for example, Digi repeater is all of my digital repeaters. Or I could create number 2, I could put analog repeaters. So I'll just put the word analog for now, if I can spell it. And then we could add, any analog channel into that. But we're gonna do this into digital repeaters. So we just created this channel here. We can select it and we can send it into that talk group. Sorry, into that zone. So we've created channels that we're putting into zones. We needed to create priority contacts, because otherwise we wouldn't know which talk group we were going to be using. So once you've done that, you just literally select up here the little TV on the right hand side, and you can write to radio. Now I haven't got the radio, so I can't do that. So hopefully this will help you write your digital repeater into your Ailunce HD1 73, and thanks for watching.